Ethiopian military retakes control of 2 Amhara towns, signals progress in recent clashes. Residents of Amhara region have reported that Ethiopia's military successfully ousted local militiamen from 2 towns, marking significant battlefield gains since the outbreak of hostilities last week. On Tuesday, the Ethiopian National Defense Force, ENDF, managed to secure the central area of Gondar, the second-largest city in Amhara, while also entering the sacred town of Lalibela on Wednesday after the militiamen vacated the area, according to local residents. In parallel, Ethiopian Airlines has announced plans to resume flights to Gondar and Bahir Dar, the capital of Amhara, both of which have experienced clashes as well. The cities of Gondar and Lalibela were among those initially captured by the Fano militia last week, marking a significant security challenge for Ethiopia since the conclusion of a 2-year civil war in the northern Tigray region last November. The Fano militia, comprised of part-time volunteers from the Amhara population, had previously been allied with the Ethiopian National Defense Force during the Tigray conflict. However, tensions escalated over allegations that the federal government sought to weaken Amhara's military capabilities against neighboring regions, a claim the government denies. Ethiopia, the second most populous country in Africa and one of its largest economies, declared a state of emergency and rapidly deployed troops to the front lines in response to the crisis in Amhara region. Notably, an evening curfew has been enforced until August 23rd in Gondar, Lalibela, and 4 additional areas, alongside restrictions on public gatherings and activities without state authorization in Amhara, as outlined by an official government statement. A Fano militiaman hailing from Gondar disclosed to Reuters that the Ethiopian National Defense Force, supported by Liu police and pro-government militias, succeeded in forcing the Fano fighters out of Gondar on Tuesday. He added that the battle was fierce, with Ethiopian National Defense Force utilizing tanks while their opponents were armed with Kalashnikovs. The source requested anonymity due to security concerns. According to a local official in Gondar, the military has gained significant control over the city, a sentiment echoed by another resident who witnessed the military's entry into the city center on Tuesday afternoon. In Lalibela, 2 residents reported to Reuters that Ethiopian National Defense Force troops entered the town on Wednesday morning following intense skirmishes on the outskirts in the previous days. Reports from Bahir Dar indicate a return to calm on Wednesday after days of unrest. Although Amhara's regional administration initially claimed that Gondar and Bahir Dar had been liberated from Fano in a Tuesday Facebook post, the statement had vanished by Wednesday. Requests for clarification from the regional administration went unanswered. Details surrounding the human cost of the conflict in Amhara remain limited. However, residents of Lalibela informed Reuters on Tuesday that more than a dozen combatants had been killed in the preceding days. Reporting for Ibisa Gamada YouTube channel is Jal Liban from Finfini, an indigenous Oromo name which is commonly and wrongly known as Addis Ababa, the capital of the state of Oromia, the seat of both the Ethiopian federal government and the African Union, August 9, 2023. For more news and analysis on contemporary issues of Oromia, Ethiopia, and the Greater Horn of Africa, hit a subscribe button, like and share daily contents to your beloved ones. Thank you.